Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you my living room and what I did for the summer. However, I'm not completely done, so I am going to need your help and your opinion on quite a few things today. So guys, if you like home decor, decorating, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home on a budget, go ahead and click the subscribe button because that's what this channel is all about. So guys, this is the sofa. I got this sofa a couple years ago from Rooms to Go. It was about $1,100. Not the best quality. I love the way it looks. However, not the best quality. These coasters right here, I got this week from Ross. They were $7.99. Really good quality. They're very heavy. It looks like they are actually made out of marble. So definitely love that particular find. I'm going to tell you more about these pillows in a minute. I'm going to get back to that. This box right here sitting on the other table is from HOMEGOODS, and I love putting out a beautiful box to conceal my remotes because I don't like those just kind of like hanging around, because I do love a very clean, light looking living room. So I don't like a lot of clutter. This area over here, not much has changed. I showed this in a previous video, aside for that beautiful vase and this beautiful candle holder, which I'm looking for another one to put right in that spot right there. So I will be visiting my local Ross stores to see if I can find another one. That beautiful piece right there with the pink flowers, that is also from Ross. Just walked in Ross and found some really good deals this week. I still absolutely love this beautiful mirrored piece. It brightens up the room and makes the room look even more spacious. Okay, so this particular table here, I am considering spray painting wherever you see black, gold. So I'm going to show you a closer look so you can kind of see what it looks like and see what I have on the shelves. I'm considering spray painting that gold because I feel like it would give a more cohesive look, since the two side tables are also gold. So I would just easily take these shelves out, spray paint every part that's black to like a brush gold, and then put the shelves back in, put everything back in just the way it is now. Most of these items are from Burlington or from HOMEGOODS that are in there. Those beautiful mirrors, I'm going to show you those again. They are from Z Gallery. So here's another look of the table versus the side table. The console table versus the side table. I think gold would be a better option for that. But let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, over here, changes I'm thinking about include painting the lanterns gold and then adding some gold to that painting. Let me know in the comments your opinion on that. Love this beautiful coffee table that I got from WAYFAIR because you can see straight through it and it gives a nice light and airy feel, which I absolutely love in my home. Absolutely love it. And you should always do what makes you happy and what makes you feel good in your home, no matter what that is. Just go with it. You don't mean nothing to me. You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Okay, one last piece of advice. That cabinet on the left side of that chair is a gray cabinet. I am considering painting that black or white. Let me know your opinion on that, if you would paint it black or white. I'm thinking if I paint it white, it would kind of fall more into the background and allow the chairs to kind of pop. So let me know your thoughts on that as well. So guys, I'm going to give you another look around the living room, and I'm going to make these updates on Thursday, and I will be back on the weekend to show you what I've done. So lots more at the end of the video, but I will see you in the next one over the weekend.
So bold.